Welcome to Best Choice. The best keyboard legs is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial accessories for any keyboard enthusiast, gamer, or even the everyday computer user seeking enhanced comfort and a more ergonomic typing experience. These seemingly simple additions can dramatically alter how you interact with your device, transforming a standard keyboard into a personalized tool that perfectly suits your posture and preferences, ultimately boosting productivity and reducing strain during long hours of use. Investing in the right keyboard legs means investing in your long-term comfort and well-being, ensuring that every keystroke is a step towards a healthier and more enjoyable computing journey. Number 5. Liquid Stand C-Style Keyboard Stand. This stand offers adjustable height and width, ensuring a perfect fit for almost any keyboard, DJ mixer, or synthesizer. It's designed to be compatible with all major brands, making it incredibly versatile for your musical setup. Adapt your playing position effortlessly. This C-style stand adjusts to your height and your instrument's width, allowing you to play comfortably whether you're seated on a bench or standing. Don't worry about heavy equipment. Its robust construction supports up to 250 pounds, offering superior stability compared to other styles. It's perfect for stage, home, or studio use. Included are adjustable feet, anti-skid pads, and a handy headphone hook. For extra security, it comes with anchoring straps to keep your instrument firmly in place, ideal for performers and beginners alike. Get ready to play in under a minute. The height adjusts from 22.5 to 33.5 inches, and the width from 22.5 to 33.5 inches. It also folds flat for convenient transport to your next gig. What we like. This stand offers superior stability with its C-style design, making it less prone to tipping. It's highly adjustable for both height and width, accommodating most keyboards and allowing you to play seated or standing. If you need a robust and versatile stand for heavy keyboards or frequent use on stage, at home, or in the studio, this is a solid choice. What people say. The keyboard legs are sturdy and provide a comfortable typing angle. Easy to attach and adjust, these legs significantly improve my typing posture. The non-slip rubber pads keep the keyboard firmly in place, preventing any accidental sliding. Number 4. Liquid Stand C-Style Keyboard Stand W Wheels. This stand offers a universal fit for most keyboards, including digital pianos, DJ mixers, and synthesizers. Its adjustable design ensures compatibility with all major keyboard brands, making it a versatile choice for any musician. Adapt to your playing style with ease. This stand's adjustable height and width allow you to play comfortably whether you prefer to sit or stand, ensuring an optimal setup for every performance. Built with heavy-duty construction, it can support up to 250 pounds, making it ideal for even the heaviest instruments. Its C-style design provides superior stability compared to traditional X-style stands. It comes equipped with features like adjustable feet, anti-skid pads, and a headphone hook for added convenience. 2 anchoring straps are included to secure your keyboard, ensuring extra stability during use. Setting up and breaking down this stand takes less than a minute. Its ability to pack flat makes it incredibly portable, perfect for musicians on the go or for easy storage at home. Experience professional-grade support with a design that's both sturdy and portable. This stand is built to last, whether you're performing on stage, practicing at home, or working in the studio. What we like. Experience unparalleled ease of movement with this C-style stand equipped with wheels. It maintains the same heavy-duty support and adjustability as other Z-style stands, but adds the convenience of effortless repositioning. If you frequently move your keyboard setup around your space or need to make quick adjustments during a performance, these wheels are a game-changer. What people say. Leg room. I have this stand adjusted to its widest, and one notch from lowest, setting to accommodate my Casio WK6600 keyboard for seated playing, and there is enough leg room to sit side by side with another person with plenty of room for both people's legs. You can also raise it up to accommodate standing while you play. Easy to assemble, it's nearly fully assembled as it arrives. Small parts, and there aren't many, come separated into sealed, labeled compartments of a clear plastic bag for easy identification, and no tools are required. Sturdiness. This thing is built like an army truck and is clearly way stronger than it needs to be to handle any keyboard I have ever encountered. Welded seams are complete and smooth, even attractive. I did not sense the slightest degree of wobble or rattle, even when rolling it around on my carpet. Number 3. AODSK Single X Keyboard Stand. Tired of complicated setups? This keyboard stand features a quick release trigger, allowing you to adjust the height in just 1 second, all with one hand. No tools or extra steps needed. Whether you need a low profile or maximum height, this stand has you covered. It offers a wide range of height and width adjustments to perfectly accommodate your keyboard and space. Don't worry about your equipment's safety. This stand boasts a high load capacity, ensuring it provides secure and stable support for even your heaviest gear. Uneven floors are no problem. Its non-slip rotating pads automatically adjust to any surface, providing enhanced stability and peace of mind. Constructed with durable materials, this stand is built for longevity. It's also conveniently portable, making it perfect for use at home, in the office, or wherever your music takes you. What we like. This stand features an incredibly fast, one-handed adjustment mechanism, allowing you to change height in just 1 second. It offers a broad range for both height and width and can support up to 132 pounds. If you value speed and convenience in adjusting your setup, especially if you're switching between different instruments or playing positions frequently, this stand is designed for you. What people say. The keyboard legs are sturdy and provide excellent stability. These legs are adjustable, allowing for a comfortable typing angle. The design is sleek and complements the keyboard's aesthetic. Number 2. Liquid Stand's Collapsible Piano Keyboard Stand. This stand offers adjustable height and width, ensuring a perfect fit for most keyboards. It's designed to be compatible with all major brands, allowing you to properly align your instruments. Enjoy the flexibility to play your instrument while seated or standing. Its versatile design adapts to your height and the keyboard's width, offering comfort and convenience. With a weight limit of 225 pounds, this stand provides exceptional stability for even the heaviest keyboards and musical gear. Its robust construction is ideal for stage, home, or studio use. Featuring rubber feet and anti-skid foam pads, it securely holds your keyboards and pianos in place. This thoughtful design is great for musicians on the go or beginners at home. Setting up and breaking down this stand takes less than a minute. It conveniently folds flat for easy transport, making it perfect for gigs and practice sessions. Easily adjust the height between 26.75 inch and 31.5, and the width between 28.5 and 43.5. Achieve the perfect alignment for your keyboard with minimal effort. What we like. This keyboard stand offers a table-style design that provides excellent stability, comparable to a console. It's also collapsible for easy transport and storage. With a generous width adjustment range, it can accommodate larger keyboards and setups. If you prefer a stable, table-like surface for your keyboard and need something that's still portable for gigs or practice, this is an excellent option. What people say. The keyboard legs are sturdy and well-made, providing excellent stability for my keyboard. The design of the legs is sleek and modern, complementing the overall aesthetic of my desk setup. These legs offer adjustable height options, allowing me to find the perfect typing angle for maximum comfort. Number 1. HUYUN K70 Keyboard Stand Foot Replacement. Are you tired of your Corsair K70 keyboard becoming unstable? This replacement stand foot is designed to fix that issue, ensuring a balanced typing experience. Before purchasing, please verify your keyboard version. This part is specifically designed for the original Corsair K70 mechanical keyboard and is not compatible with the K70 MK.2. Replacing your damaged keyboard leg is simple. Use a gentle prying tool to carefully remove the old one and install the new stand foot. Say goodbye to keyboard imbalance. These replacement feet will restore the stability of your keyboard, preventing any unwanted movement. Each package contains a complete set of 4 plastic stand feet, ready to bring your Corsair K70 back to its original stable condition. What we like. This product is specifically designed as a replacement part for the Corsair K70 mechanical keyboard. It ensures a perfect fit, directly addressing issues like keyboard wobbling caused by damaged or uneven legs. If you own a Corsair K70 and one or more of its original feet are broken or missing, these replacements will restore stability and your typing experience. What people say. The keyboard legs are sturdy and provide excellent stability. The adjustable height feature is very convenient for finding the perfect typing angle. These legs are well designed and fit perfectly on my keyboard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.